We're going to put together the Edge wheelchair. Once you've taken all the parts out from the box, you've got the main wheelchair itself, you've got the footrests, and then you've got the backrest and the seat pad. So let's put them together. Open out the wheelchair and press firmly on the seat. Lift up the backrest, that clicks into position, and I would advise to apply the brakes at the back just to stop it moving. Take the seat pad first. This is just held on with Velcro. Place it onto the seat and then roll these parts underneath and they will be retained in position by the Velcro. Same with the backrest seat pad. The Edge symbol goes on the back. You open that out, place it over the top, and again it's held in position with Velcro on the front and also the back. Finally, we'll take the footrests and these just simply click into position, lift the handle, and the same with the right hand side. Push in, lift the handle, and then that clicks in position. And then the Edge is together and safe to use.